Today I'm going to discuss a very interesting case which is related to Senator Faisal Wabda, who was recently called in a contempt proceeding by Justice Isa, and this judgment is also present on the Supreme Court website. Faisal Wabda was called because of his press conference in National Press Club in Islamabad on 15/5/2024. Now we are going to look what are the main points of this judgment. The freedom of expression, the freedom of press are not absolute. Article 19 mentions few exceptions, including committing contempt of court. Article 204 of the Constitution describes what constitutes contempt of the court. Relevant provisions are produced below. Section 204, subsection 2, a court shall have the power of punishing any person who, subsection B, scandalize the court or otherwise anything which tends to bring the court or judge of the court into hatred, ridiculous, or contempt. Subsection C, does anything which tends to prejudice the determination of a matter pending before the court, or number D, does anything which by law constitutes contempt of court. The law mentioned in Article 19 and 204 is the Contempt of Court Ordinance 2003. The ordinance governs the power of the court with regard to the contempt of the court, and Order 27 of the Supreme Court rules 1980 tends to proceed in a relation to contempt of court. Pakistan is the first countries to have signed Universal Declaration of Human Rights. Its Article 19 states that everyone has a right to freedom of opinion and expressions, but it too does not prohibit abusing and insulting anyone. The International Convention on Civil and Political Rights 1966, while granting the right of freedom of expression, permits restriction provided by law, including for respect of the rights or reputation of others. Result of this notice of contempt petition was that Faisal Wabda has submitted unconditional apology to the Supreme Court, and Supreme Court has accepted it. Other television channels, which were mostly 36, were issued legal notices. Justice Faiz also considered them and asked them to submit their replies in following 2 weeks. You can study this judgment. It's because it's very interesting nowadays, and everyone is speaking on television, so one should be very careful.